Hi everybody, Happy New Year, Happy 2026. I am going to take you on my promised craft studio tour. Welcome to my channel. Not now, I'm crafting. Let's go inside. I've been working very hard to clean it all up for you. So welcome my friends. Let me just show you around my happy place. Here it is. This is where the magic happens. And there's my Christmas present. Yes, sirree. I was a very good girl this year, so Santa brought me a brand new quilting machine. I'm so excited. I haven't even tried it yet. We just got it all set up. So it's a beauty. It's an absolute beauty. Way bigger than my old machine was, so can't wait to be doing that. Anyways, I had to make a lot of rearrangements and organization to make everything fit back into my room. It was the perfect opportunity to do a thorough clean and purge. So you'll see, I even went so far as to label everything. Yeah, so up here are my journals. This is the very first journal I ever made, and it's not very good, but I'm keeping it anyway because it was the very first one I ever made. There's my collection of books, sewing books, patterns. There's that pretty little box we made, and I use it to hold my long arm tools. See, long arm tools. Down here is my paint supplies, some of them, the brushes and all that. Some junk journaling supplies, and yeah, tins. I collect tins. I love my tins. I have a collection started up there. Nothing's in those yet, but if there ever is, I will label it. This is a pretty granny square tote bag that my mom made for me. So I use that to carry some of my supplies if I go anywhere. It's very pretty. I asked her for a colorful one, so there she made me one. And I just have other random bags hanging up here. And then good old ironing board and some, you know, little things hanging here and there, things I've made, pieces of art. When I saw this sign, I had to have it. I thought it'd be perfect for my room. And I just have all my glues and everything, my threads, my scissors, and more scissors and more scissors. And this is where I film. And this is where I sew. And it's very close together. I used to have a much bigger table here, but I had to make space for other things. So yeah, I made this pocket thing for my sewing machine out of blue jeans. And I have some, you know, magazines and things. Just kind of, they look messy, but they're organized. Paper. This is a hexagon quilt project I'm working on. You know, the what do you call those? Hexagons, I guess. I don't know what they're called. There's my boom box from the 80s. Yeah, lots of little treasures in here. Little bits of this and that I've collected. I always thought this was very cute. This showed up at the thrift store one day. You are so special. So I thought that was perfect for my room. This little sewing basket I got from the thrift store as well. I just thought it was adorable. I had to have it. My vintage crochet hooks came from the thrift store. And I have some paper things my sister has made me. She's big into paper crafting. This is a card my good friend Diane hand painted for me. And I painted that quilt board on a checkerboard, an old checkerboard from the thrift store. And then remember I had said how my window wasn't finished, the trim. My husband never did put up the trim, so I made my own out of scraps of fabric. I have a beautiful stained glass window made by a local stained glass artist here in the town we live near. And just some other random things. I love little containers, so I got, you know, little buttons and things in there. I have these little vintage frames I found. I haven't put anything in them yet, but I have 5 of them. So that's a collection, right? If you have 5 of something. And I just painted these boxes to sit in my windowsill to hold things. Over here I have just kind of a picture frame, pictures of people I love, my family, some friends. So, you know, my craft space is pretty simple, other than this amazing huge machine. Takes up most of it. And then down here I just have some scraps and bins, fabrics, laces. Everything's labeled so I can find it. A spare little ironing board. Parts for my Big Shot Sizzix, which I haven't used in a long time actually. And there's a mannequin back there. She's my size. And I'm in the process of completing crocheting a vest for myself. So there you go. Real short, quick video, but I wanted to show you my present. This was sort of given to me by my husband. My children helped in their own way. Hello? Who's coming in? Well, hello, Speck. Hello. Hi. Yeah, you opened the door by yourself, didn't you? Yeah. I'm just showing everybody the room while it's clean. So there you go. It looks pretty good. It will never look this good again. So that's why I'm doing this video today. Okay, I'll be back soon with some more fun adventures from the craft studio. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.